The video y'all about to watch is me creating this masterpiece, period. So I hope y'all like this video. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to her channel, which is gonna be in the description box below. Here. And let's get into it, period. Okay, y'all, so this is not a tutorial, but I am just going to walk y'all through what I am doing. So this is my little sister, and she's kind of like my practice person. She let me do whatever kind of look I want to do on her, and she's just okay with it. So this look is going to be like a soft glam. She do have really naturally thick eyebrows, so I'm learning, you know, how to manage those. All you have to do is just shape them because they're already thick, so you don't need to fill them in. But that's what I'm doing right now, getting her eyebrows on fleek, period. And I'm just going to prime her face, as we all should every time we do makeup. And next I am going to be applying foundation. Now this foundation is my new foundation, and it really looked good on her skin color. Like, we are two different skin tones, but it looked really good on her skin. So kudos to this foundation company, makeup company, brand, period. Concealer to her eyes, and I'm going to do it all over her face in those important areas that we want to brighten up so it can look really good on the camera, period. And I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend in the concealer. Now, I am not a professional makeup artist, and as y'all can see, I am basically a self-taught, and I'm still teaching myself. So I kind of feel like I kind of blended her concealer in too much. Let me know in the comments if that's actually a thing. But I don't know. I feel like if you want that dramatic look, you don't need to blend it in that much. So maybe I did an over blend or something. Like, no shade at all. But I just feel like sometimes people have that look like a lot of concealer pack right there, and sometimes it make you look dead. But anyway, moving on. Now I'm contouring her face so we can put some dimension back into her face. Now I am using my Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the color Espresso. This is the only contour stick that I have, and I just love it so much. It's so creamy and it blends in perfectly. I'm contouring her nose, and baby, that nose is gonna be snatched. So yeah, just keep watching. Just watching myself do her makeup, I'm just so proud of myself. Like, I've came a long way. Like, this not the end, but I've came a long way, and I just like, it's so satisfying to watch people do makeup, and now I'm watching myself. So if you enjoyed this video, like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel and share it, because we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and that's super big to me. So share. Thanks. Look at that nose, y'all. Oh, didn't I tell y'all I was gonna be snatched? Oh, she got that nose done. Dr. Miami did that nose. So now I am baking her face. Now this is something new to my makeup routine, and like I said, I'm growing and I'm learning and I'm teaching myself. So I actually love how, you know, I baked her face. I'm glad that it don't look white or dead, but to each his own. But I love it, and I'm proud of myself, period. Now I'm just going to add blush, which is also new to my makeup routine. I love blush. It just makes you like you smiling all the time, even when you're frowning, period. So blush, blush, blush those cheeks. And then I'm going to add highlighter, which is the same highlighter I always use on my face. I love this highlighter. And now I'm going to finish by setting her face, doing her beautiful lip. It looks so pretty. It's like a little pink nude color lip, period. And then I'm going to add her some lashes. Look at that. Lashes changes things.
Period. You know the lashes just be like poop poop. Period. So come shop with me at AM Collections. Get your girl. Period. So that's all for this video. I hope y'all liked it. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all for watching. Period. It's the beat for me. Period. And make sure y'all shop at your girl with her lashes at AM Collection. Period. And that's all for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.